Okay, when I am introduced to something really cool, I like to share it with my friends. If you are a coffee maker, you're gonna love this. If you're a big coffee drinker, even if you don't drink coffee and you do drink hot chocolate, you like this too. Now, this is the Nescafe Dolce Gusto. It's a professional grade coffee maker, but you can also make hot chocolate. Now, the great thing about it is that it makes life easy for you. It comes with this, and you simply put the capsule in. And you put it in here, you close it, and then you just move the lever, and you can hear it, and out comes hot coffee. Actually, that might be the chocolate. So it's filling up, filling up, filling up. And I'm going to stop it now. All right. And lift this up, take this out, empty it. Now I'm going to add the next capsule. And look at that. I get excited over the little things. But the milk is separate and it goes on top. And you have a nice cup of mocha. And I just turn it off. And that's it. There I have it. My cup of joe. This is delicious and so easy to make. And that little cup that I'm using, that actually came with the Dulce Gusto. It's delicious, easy, so quick. Even putting it together took me like a minute. It basically comes fully assembled. You just have to run it a couple of times, get the water through to clean it, and then you're ready, off to the races. I love this. Thank you. Maybe you might want to check it out. This would be a great holiday gift for the coffee lover in your life.